So YouTube, ran the wire and shit. I'm rewiring everything, and then how to go through there. There's the crossover. Huge, man, beauty, purdy right there. Well, anyways, everything's gonna be coming from over here to here, and then speaker wire to the amp going back that way. I'm gonna run a tweeter through here. It already has one, but man, fuck Bose. I'm gonna put something else. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna run the wire through there. Go to the crossover right there. Speaker fits here perfectly. Here's the tweeters I'm gonna put. I got that door over there to do. But yeah. There's a side door right there. I have a bunch of mess here, man. It look good after I'm done. She's beautiful, man. Look at that. Purdy. Bam! Coming at you. Not joke with you. Yeah, the speaker gonna go in here. And it fits perfect, man. No cutout, no nothing. All I gotta do is drill the damn holes. That's it. Easy. But I'm rewiring everything because you can't hook up another amp and then run all your amps outputs going to the wires that go in behind that dash, because it's gonna go to another amp and then you're gonna fuck up that amp. Everything fries, and I don't want to go to a trouble, so I'm rewiring everything. Yup, make it sound better, because that Bose amp sucks. The ones in here, it sucks. I hate it. So yeah, it's a little update what I'm doing right now. Deuces, my niggas, deuces.